scheduled to address the August gathering.
Our memories of yesterday will last a lifetime. We will take the best, forget the rest, and someday we will find that these are the best times. A very good morning to you, dear Sister Deepika, Sister Malika, Sister Elsie, Sister Mary, all the teaching, non-teaching and supportive staff, parents and my beloved children. Change is an inevitable ingredient for the ongoing growth of anything. In life's journey too, arrivals and departures constitute that change. We meet to create memories and depart to preserve them. The day has finally dawned to take leave of you. With this farewell assembly, my tenure as principal is coming to an end. I welcome Sister Malika, the new principal, and assure her of my full support as she will navigate this great institution. Let me also take this opportunity to congratulate all the students for their stellar performance in the board exams, along with all the faculty members. My journey with you has been really enriching and personally fulfilling. My interaction with you and your responses have been overwhelming and amply rewarding. It is quite fitting here to quote Henry Ford, "Coming together is a beginning, keeping together is progress, working together is success." At the outset, I raise my gratitude to God for His steadfast love and faithfulness towards each one of us, especially for His care and protection. Secondly, I take this occasion to express my deep gratitude to our Provincial Superior, Sister Therese, for her guidance and encouragement. I am also thankful to the school managing committee members, PTA executive members and all the guardians for their support and cooperation. I am indebted to you, dear Sister Deepika, for mentoring and standing by me as a tower of strength and letting me never down when the sea of life was rough. I have no words to explain. You are a mentor, inspiration and a visionary, all embodied into one. Thank you, Sister Elsie, Sister Mary, Sister Sugita, and Sister Ruby in absentia for your sisterly support and for your judicious handling of the administrative issues and helping us to smoothly sail through various endeavors. I am indebted to Ms. Romila for coordinating different departments and for seeing to every need of the school with her simple and unassumed face. I also am extremely grateful to Miss Minnie, Miss Prerana, Miss Reena and Miss Sadhana for assuring and guiding me through meticulous planning, suggestions and sharing my burdens, which has truly enriched and colored my life. I also thank all the HODs, squad heads, class coordinators, cultural heads and each and every one of you, dear teachers, for all that you are to me and your valuable contributions and shouldering the responsibilities with a dedication and commitment. Special thanks to Miss Alpi and Miss Anisha and the entire team of the British Council for bringing nuances and global element into our curriculum. It is teamwork that bore abundant fruit and the campus was brimming with new and fruitful activities. It is a proud moment for all of us as our school has been awarded the most prestigious British Council International School Award 2020-23. Hearty congrats to all for the commendable performance. With a deep appreciation of gratitude, I acknowledge the sustained contributions extended to me by the admin staff and non-teaching and supportive staff too. It was indeed a privilege and honor to have associated with you. Thank you once again to all for your unflinching support and appreciation and making our school a school with a difference and school with a heart. My dear children, you are the apple of my eye and the focus of my attention. We are in a new normal. I am unable to be to you personally. These are the God-given moments. Don't wait until everything is just right. We will never be perfect and without any problems. There will be always challenges and obstacles and less than perfect conditions. So what? Get started and take each step. You will grow stronger and stronger, more and more skilled and more self-confident and more successful. There is a beautiful prayer to be said every day. God grant me the serenity to accept the things I cannot change, courage to change the things I can, and wisdom to know the difference. In the journey of life, there are moments where we get knocked down. When things do not happen the way we plan, we need to exercise a strong will to get up and keep moving towards our goals. Don't give up. Continue your pursuit. You should make the efforts to achieve the final goal, to do something that will make you towards what you want to be, instead of blaming the circumstances. The struggle you are in today is developing the strength you need for tomorrow. Everything will pass away. God alone is sufficient for each one of us, and He will stand by us. That's my trust. Life is all about making choices. You must make a choice to take a chance of your life to become more upskilled, knowledgeable, and healthier during this pandemic time. I strongly believe if we have a positive attitude and constantly strive to give our best, eventually we will overcome all our problems, become productive, and give meaning to our lives. Happiness is always a choice, so stay happy and keep smiling. May God bless us all. Thank you.
Thank you, sister, for your inspirational words. We learned valuable lessons from you. They will never be forgotten by us, and we will carry them forward when we leave school and always keep the banners of the school flying high wherever we go. Sister, I would like to thank you on behalf of the whole HCS family for the valuable support and the priceless guidance that you have given to each one of us throughout these years. Thank you, sister, for creating such beautiful memories of school life for us, and whenever we remember school, we will always think of you. Thank you, dear sister. Next, Sargun will enliven the atmosphere with a song.
कुछ पल जो बिताए साथ में याद आएंगे हमें फिर बाद में मुस्कुराए उसी पे या कभी आंसू बह जाए रंग चाहे यहीं से सुरों के लम्हे गुनगुनाए या पधारो मारे देश, पधारो मारे देश, केसरिया बालम आवो नी, पधारो मारे देश, पधारो मारे देश जी, केसरिया 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 बालम आवो नी, पधारो मारे देश, पधारो मारे देश। आओ आओ ओ मारा मेहमान रे, आओ आओ ओ मारा मेहमान रे, मारे आंगन अज छे मोरो लाओ रे, मारे आंगन अज छे मोरो लाओ रे, आओ आओ ओ मारा मेहमान आओ रे, आओ आओ ओ मारा मेहमान रे, फूल जुग चुम्मारे हाथ जोड़ विनती, फूल जुग चुम्मारे हाथ जोड़ विनती, आओ आओ ओ मारा मेहमान आओ रे, आओ आओ ओ मारा मेहमान आओ रे, आओ आओ ओ मारा मेहमान आओ रे।
That was a beautiful and soulfully rendered song which created a beautiful atmosphere. Thank you, Sargun. I would now like to call upon Ms. Durga Muralidharan to welcome Reverend Sister Mallika.
Commitment unlocks the doors of imagination, allows vision, and gives us the right direction to turn our goals into excellence. Good morning, everyone. On behalf of the school, I feel equally excited and honored to welcome Reverend Sister Mallika as the new principal of our institution. Sister is an epitome of empowerment, a kind soul with a great ideology, determinism, and vision. A person with high integrity who has always upheld as well as imparted uncompromising, strong, moral, and ethical principles and values to the teachers as well as students. Her dedication and commitment towards excellence is unparalleled. Many of us have got the opportunity to get motivated by her when she was rendering her service as headmistress of our school. Sister went on to become the principal of Holy Child School, Sonipat, where her effective governance and management brought laurels to the school. A big welcome to you, sister. May our school reach the next levels of glory under your leadership and guidance. May your visionary strategies help us to set our own standards and also elevate ourselves and our students to higher planes. I assure on behalf of the school that with your motivation, the learning, the evolving and the growth will be an unending process. Welcome back, sister.
Thank you, ma'am. Next, I would like to request our new principal, Reverend Sister Mallika, to say a few words.
Good morning to everyone. Thank you for the warm welcome you have extended to me today. I am rather uneasy in taking up this responsibility. This school and some of you are quite familiar to me, yet to be at the helm is altogether a different story. I trust that with God's grace and your cooperation and support, we will continue the vision and mission of this institution so that every child who comes to its portal may grow imbibing the true humane values and become worthy citizens of our nation. Let us all work hand in hand to make our vision and mission into a reality. May God bless us all.
Thank you, sister. We look forward to your care and guidance. Our head girl, Astha Bhattacharya, will conclude today's assembly with a few words of gratitude.
Nothing happens by chance. We don't meet people by accident. They are meant to cross our paths for a reason. You are special people who have been placed in our lives for a reason, dear Reverend Sister Sharon and Reverend Sister Malika. And we are grateful and we are thankful for the gift of you. During your tenure, though brief, Sister Sharon, we felt like we were the part of a family founded in love, kindness, and compassion. Under your guidance, we received the perfect amalgamation of both progressive ideas while at the same time staying rooted to the core values of HCS: respect, honesty, and discipline. Time cannot erase your impression upon the school, and your teachings will always light up the ways that lead us to a better future. Our prayers and good wishes are always with you. We are sure, Reverend Sister Malika, that with your energy, enthusiasm, and focus on education and learning, our institute will go on to achieve greater excellence. Under your leadership and guidance, the school will continue to rise to greater heights and move forward in virtue and in the service of God and society. In this constantly changing society, where moral values are eroding, we are confident that you will build the character of the children under your care with the age-old value system of love, service, sincerity, and compassion. May God shower His choicest blessings on you, Reverend Sister Malika and Reverend Sister Sharon. May the Lord guard you wherever you go and whatever you do. May His love and protection shine bright on you and be a blessing to you always. Thank you.